of the day. This is Miss Tabassum. Today I'm here to talk about formal letters. So let's get started. Let's see what are formal letters. Formal letters are letters written to officials, business associates, organizations, etc. to correspond with them regarding issues and profession or law and order. It includes business letters, letters of application, etc. Formal letters are divided into the following categories. The very first one is editorial letters. Letters written to the editor are generally associated with newspapers or magazines. These letters are written by a common man regarding general issues concerning the public. Complaints and suggestion letters. A letter of complaint is normally written to deal with a problem situation when other attempts, that is, phone contacts or emails, have failed to rectify the situation. Another form of formal letter, letters of application. These are letters written either to make a request or to apply for a service. It also includes application written to the teacher or principal. Business letters. A business letter is usually a letter from one company to another or between such organization and their customers, clients, and other external parties. Remember, a business letter is sometimes useful because it produces a permanent written record and may be taken more seriously by the recipient than other forms of communication. Last but not the least, official letters. These are letters written to or regarding the employees to file a complaint and to apologize for something. These letters do not discuss business but are professional and respectful in tone. The main purposes of writing a formal letter are to voice one's opinion in case of letter to the editor, to get one's problems addressed, to complain about or against someone. Formal letter is also written to place an order, seek information, inquire, send reply, or sell products. Let's see how to write an effective formal letter. While drafting a formal letter, observe the following tips which may be beneficial. First, remember to be polite and formal. It should start by introducing yourself and describing the purpose of writing. Briefly describe about what you want to convey through the letter. Give complete information along with necessary details like date, reference number, etc. Conclude with a hope, appeal, warning, or suggestion as required. If you are writing to an authority about a problem in your area, briefly give its details and seek or suggest a solution. In letters to the editor, do not ask the editor to solve your problem. He or she can only give voice to your opinion, views, suggestions, etc. Elements of a formal letter at a glance. First, you need to write the sender's address. Then comes the date. After that, you have to write the receiver's name or rank and address. Then, subject of the letter. After that comes salutation. Then you have to write body of the letter. After that, concluding remarks. Then complimentary closure, and at last, signature line. Let's practice our formal sample letter. Write a letter to the editor about the misuse and poor maintenance of a public park in your area. 907 Blessed Heaven Residency, Jaipur, Rajasthan 302001. This is the sender's address. Remember, never put his or her name here. 4th December 2020 is the date. The date appears directly below the sender's address. Remember to leave a line after the sender's address and then write the date. The editor, The Times of India, New Delhi. This is the receiver's rank and his address. It includes the designation or name of the organization followed by the street or area, state or town. And if you are writing international, mention the country of the person to whom the letter is being sent. Subject: misuse and poor maintenance of public parks. Subject of the letter indicate the theme of the letter here. Respected Sir, this is the salutation. It is a customary greeting with which the sender opens the letter. Through the columns of your esteemed daily, I wish to draw the attention of the authorities concerned towards the poor maintenance of a public park in our area. Public parks are the lungs of the localities where residents come and refresh themselves. But to my utter dismay, park in our area is not maintained at all. Moreover, it has become a den of miscreants who sit and gamble in broad daylight. Many rowdies create disturbance and do not help in the upkeep of the park. It is frequented by stray cattle also. It is very difficult to sit in this park. The senior citizens are at a loss where to go and relax or share dialogues with other fellows. If no immediate action is taken, the park will turn into a devil's den and cause non-stop nuisance to the people of my area. This is the body of the letter. The body of the letter includes the main text of the letter. It puts forward the message that the writer wants to convey. I hope that you will be kind enough to publish this letter in your daily so that the concerned authorities can take immediate steps in this matter and solve this acute problem immediately. This is the concluding remarks. The concluding remarks indicates that the letter is going to end. Yours sincerely is complimentary closure. It is a warm subscription for the reader. Shipra Banerjee, this is the signature line. The signature line mentions the name of the writer. That's all for the day. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.